This video is sponsored by ProDemand from Mitchell 1. Complete OEM and real-world repair information delivered in a single lookup. For more information and a free demonstration, visit Mitchell1.com.
Here we have a 2011 Toyota Camry, and the customer came in with the complaint of the AC not working. I've done all my checks, and it's not working, so I verified the complaint. I've also hooked up our AC recycling recovery machine to make sure it has the correct amount of refrigerant in the system. It does. Now I know that the AC compressor is not coming on. I've done my checks with the fuses, the diode, and other things on the vehicle, even using a scan tool to disengage and engage the clutch. So what could be the issue? I could take the risk right now and say it's the compressor on the vehicle, pull out my recycling and recovery machine, pull all the refrigerant out of the machine, and then go out and do the repair and replace the compressor. But I really want to make sure that it's actually the compressor. So I've done additional electrical checks to make sure that there's power and ground at the connector. So what do I do next? Well, I go to my service information. First of all, I can look up the condition, and I can see that in some cases, well, it's the AC compressor that needs to be replaced and not the clutch. Taking this one step further, I can take this into the community function. Here, I can see that another technician, well, he's faced the same problem on the same model and same year of vehicle. Let's see what he had to do to repair the vehicle. Well, we can see his initial complaint, same as ours, the AC is not working. From there, we see the tests that he additionally did and some suggestions from the community members. They're suggesting to check power and ground. We did that. Well, we also see recommendations to replace the compressor to solve the problem. And that's what we're going to do. But additionally, as a bonus for using this community function, there is an additional tip when I'm doing the job to help remove this fan shroud so it's easier to get the compressor in and out of the bay. So this community function has a lot of value for someone in a shop that may not have time to talk to the guy in the next bay to get their idea on what the problem could be. So with the community function, it's sort of like having everybody in the bay next to you to consult with. This way you can make sure that your diagnosis and repair are good for the vehicle. You can also take it one step further. You could submit your quandary or conundrum that you're stuck with. This way you'll know you have the power of the community behind you when you diagnose a vehicle. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.